Hello, my butterflies. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So today we are going to do our new rhyme. So are you all excited for it? Yes. So let's see what's our new rhyme. So here you can see some birds, right? So let's count them. 1, 2. The name of a rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. So let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft, one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back soft. Come back loud. Two little dicky birds sitting on a stick. One named Slow, one named Quick. Fly away slow. Fly away quick. Come back slow. Come back quick. Two little dicky birds flying in the sky. One named low, one named high. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low, come back high. I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. Thank you.